Hey everyone, Mastercraft here today. And before I begin our tutorial on making this really nice looking origami star, I'd like to first spend a moment and thank all my amazing content watchers for helping me reach my first goal of 100 subscribers. Now let's begin. I'm using a square piece of paper. You can use whatever type of square piece of paper you like. So we're going to take this top left corner, bring it down to this bottom right, folding it diagonal. And increase. Open up. Now take this top right corner, bring it down to the bottom left. And increase. Open up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half, both horizontally and vertically. Line up the edges to the best way you can, and then crease. Open up. Now take the top, bring it down to the bottom. And then crease. Open up. Now we're going to take this left side, fold it over, like how we've done before. And we're going to take this corner right here and bring this edge over to this edge. And then just flatten down and crease. Now open up, take the top right corner, bring it down to this point. And then crease, open up. Now we'll take this point right here and bring it to the center of this X, so right here. And then just crease. It's not gonna line up with this line, so if it doesn't, that is completely normal. And now we'll take this corner and bring this line to this line right here. Let's fold down. Line up the edges nicely. And then crease. Rotate it. And we'll take this corner and match this line with this line, folding up. And then crease. Now flip it over. And we're just gonna fold down, lining this edge with this bottom edge. And then crease, flatten out, flip over, and we'll be using a pair of scissors and cutting along this line. And cut along this line. You can throw away the scraps and put away your scissors. And now open it up all the way. What you should have is your Pentagon. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom area, fold up, and we're going to make sure you have this vertical line always matching up with this line. We're going to fold up and we're going to be matching this corner in this corner with this line. We're going to be doing that for all 5 sides. So keep folding up. And notice this corner meets this line, and this corner meets that line as well. And then we're just going to fold down and crease. Open up. We'll be doing this for all the other sides, so fold up, lining up this line, so crease one straight line. And making sure this corner meets that line and this corner meets that line. Open up. Then crease. 2 more sides left. Remember to keep there a straight line, and that this corner meets that line and this corner meets this line. Then crease and do the final side, folding up. And then crease. When you finish, you should notice there should be a center pentagon inside the actual pentagon. And now what we're going to do is you take one corner and we're just going to fold it in half so that the 2 sides match up. So all of them is like pinched inward. And now along this line that we just made, we're just going to fold inward and then fold over and then crease. Open up. Same thing, we're going to fold this in half, or fold inward actually, and then along this line we're going to fold in, over, and then down. Open up, rotate it again. So along this line we'll fold in and then push down, then fold over, crease, open up, and then do the last side, folding inward, and then crease. Now you should notice there's going to be like 2 lines here that we made. We're just going to fold them together and then pinch. So we're going to just done this. Do that for the other 4. Just fold in and crease. Fold inward, crease. Then fold the last one inward. Then just go over it. And now in the inner pentagon, what we're going to do, we're going to choose one side. So I'm going to take this side and I'm going to fold down along this line, folding down and then pushing this down, so flattening it. So you should have something like this. And now open it up, the same thing on this line, fold down. So folding this down first and then folding a new one down so they tuck into each other. Do this for the other three. Just open it up again a little. Then along that line, just fold down and fold the others down. Two more times, open up, fold down. Do for the last side, along this line, we're just going to fold down. And then just fold everything over it. And then just push down. Now you don't have to worry about flattening it just yet. Just flip it over and now go ahead and flatten. You should see something like this. Now we're going to take this little flap and we're going to bring this point to the center. So I'm going to fold it in half, lining up with this line. So it's exactly half. Open up. Do the same thing for all the other four, folding it in half. But now that we fold this in half, we're going to just simply tuck in this, so fold it over, tuck that in. You'd see this overlaps each other. Open it up. Do the same thing for the next side. Fold in half. Then fold this over and crease. Fold this new one over and crease. I've got 3 done. To do the 4th one. And then crease, fold this one over, fold this one over, and this one. Close to the center as possible. And now open up, we're going to do the last one, so fold that to the center as well. Now for putting them all together, so just choose one side and then fold this down, fold that over, fold this over, fold this one over. And for the final side, we're going to go inside this one and then just fold this over on the inside and then just flatten. Flip over and then crease down. And there you have it, a finished origami star. Congratulations, you finished another design.